So here's a trick for getting perfectly crispy and diced up bacon every time. First thing you do is you take your bacon from the freezer and let it thaw out about like 10 to 15 minutes. You don't want it to completely defrost, just enough so that we can cut it. I tend to stock up on a whole bunch of these when they're on sale, and I'll do this trick so that way I have it ready. So we're going to just get rid of all the packaging, but you're going to leave the bacon like this. So normally when you make bacon, you know, you peel off the slices and you put them into the pan. Well, what we're going to do instead is leave the whole thing as it is, and we're just going to start cutting the entire bacon up like this. Then you want to get a bag. For storage, I just put them into a freezer bag, and again, I tend to buy these when they're on sale, so usually I get like a good buy one get one free sale, and I'll fill up the whole bag. You want to label it as to what you have in there as well as the date so you can rotate your food, and then you stick this in the freezer. When you are ready to make bacon, you're going to take out of the freezer literally just however much bacon you want. So say we just want like 1 or 2 slices, and we're going to put that in the frying pan. Once your pan has heated up, we're just going to put our bacon pieces in. You can just bring them out frozen. You don't even have to bother defrosting them. They're going to automatically start defrosting in the pan however much you want. I'm just going to do the whole thing because I'm using bacon for other dishes today. And we're going to fry up our bacon. Once the bacon has crisped up, we're ready to take this off the stove. You never ever ever want to pour the bacon fat down your drain. When it gets cold, it starts to solidify, so it will clog your drain. I like to save my bacon fat for cooking later. So this is a handy silicone drainer that you can put onto any pot, and what it will let you do is drain without worrying about anything falling out or your bacon coming off. There is your perfectly cooked bacon, and it's already crumbled, so you can put it into your recipe and you don't have to worry about trying to handle it when it's hot. We're going to put this into the fridge. So here's my bacon fat taken from the refrigerator, so it's gotten solid. I like to save it for when I make eggs. Rather than using butter or a spray, just use a little bit of the bacon fat. It'll melt and it'll add a little extra flavor to my eggs. And there's my perfect scrambled eggs with a hint of bacon.